Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find hidden message request on Instagram. Okay, let's get started guys. Here I have my Instagram application opened, and first thing first, we need to open our Instagram direct messages. You can click on this icon to open the Instagram DM, and if you want to find hidden message request on your Instagram, you can go to the request menu right here. Just click on this request menu and you can go to the hidden request. Okay, and as you can see guys that there is no hidden request on my Instagram, but if you have hidden message request on your Instagram, the hidden message request will appear right here. Alright guys, then that's all the way to find hidden message request on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.